Alright, got the Leatherman RAPTORs just recently, so I just wanted to throw up a quick little video of them. This is how they come. You can take and fold them up like this, and they have a little pouch you can slide them down into, but I just keep them like this, and so you see it's got the little pocket clip right here that you can just clip it in on your pockets. But they do is they just take and they fold out like this. And then on the other side right over here, one of the little tools it's got the 5 cm measuring tape. Then right here it's got the seatbelt cutter and the oxygen tank wrench for oxygen tanks. So they're a pretty neat little thing. It's got this right here, so this locks in very well. Don't have to worry about it coming down. But you can also take and, once you have that closed back up, take and close these up. You can also pop that thing back out and use it like that. So just the seatbelt cutter. But another really good tool that this has on it is they actually cut rings. If you'll take and you can see right down here, this is a little ring cutter. I don't have any rings that I can cut, but I found a old fork that I had laying around, so you can see right there I already cut one up, testing it out. But take and put it down right there. You have to bear down a little bit, but cuts it right off. I mean, that's some pretty tough little silver right there. So it's a pretty neat little set of shears. It's also got right down here on the tip a little carabiner, bust out glass windshields and stuff with, and it's got a little thing for lanyards you could keep them around your neck with or on your belt loop. But altogether they're pretty neat little shears, and what you got right here is the little locking buttons. You press those in and she folds right back up. So altogether, I haven't got to use them yet, but hopefully here pretty soon I'll get to test them out and let you guys know how they do.